How are Google Apps helpful? No extra cost for hardware and software. No need to upgrade hardware and software. Secure and private users collaboration. Commonly used Google Apps. Google Apps are based on cloud computing. In cloud computing, data is stored and accessed over the internet rather than from hard drive of a computer. It is the easiest and most cost-effective method of using web-based applications and storing data online. To gain access to Google services, we must have a Gmail account. Gmail. Gmail is a free email service provided by Google to create, send, receive, forward, print and delete emails. Gmail provides us the facility to store our mails safely on the cloud. It also provides the facility of searching the specific emails, prioritizing our mail, and sending and receiving mails faster. Google Drive. Google Drive is an online storage tool provided by Google. We can save our files to the drive and access them anywhere, anytime. We can upgrade the storage capacity by paying for a subscription plan suiting our requirements. We can upload documents, photos, videos, and organize them into folders and subfolders. We can access our stored data from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. What can you store in Google Drive? Google Drive can store all types of files such as photos, videos, PDFs, Microsoft Office files, and many more. You can also save email attachments sent to you through Gmail directly to the Google Drive. You do not have to move them manually. Google Drive also has the option to see the preview of the attachment files without downloading them in the browser itself. You can easily preview Microsoft documents, Adobe files, image files, audio files, and video files before downloading. How much can you store in Google Drive? Google gives you 15 GB of free cloud storage just when you sign up for the first time. You can upgrade it to more space if needed by paying some amount. This free space is shared between your mails, photos, data on your drive, etc. on all your Google apps. You should never sync your hard disk data to Google Drive. That way you are unnecessarily keeping 2 copies of all your files and using precious space. You should make sure that your inbox and Google Drive are not cluttered with unnecessary files. You will soon run out of the cloud space that you have free of cost. How does it work? On the top right side of the window, you will see a dotted square called Google Apps. This is also known as the Google Apps Hub. Now perform the following steps to use the Google Drive. First, log into your Gmail account and click on Google Apps icon. Second, click on Google Drive icon. A drive appears on the screen. The navigation pane has the following options. New. It helps to view, manage and upload files or folders from your computer and mobile device to Google Drive. My Drive. It helps to view and manage files stored on your Google Drive. Shared with me. It helps to view and manage files and folders that have been shared with you by others. Recent. It helps to view the recent Google Drive activity. Starred. It helps to view all your favorite or important files. Trash. It helps to view deleted items. The deleted files stay in trash for 60 days before they are deleted permanently from Google Drive. Storage. It helps to view how much space is being used by the files and folders in Google Drive. You can also see how much space a particular file occupies in the drive. Buy storage. It shows different plans of buying space. To upload your files, first click on the New button. Second, select the Folder Upload option if you want to upload a folder or File Upload option if you want to upload a file. Third, select the files or folders you want to upload. Fourth, click on the Open button. When the file or folder is uploading, a message box at the bottom right corner of the window displays the status of the upload. Google Drive window has many more components which are: search box at the top of the window helps to search a file or folder on the drive. Click or tap the preview icon to check the content of the file. The shareable link icon generates a link of your document for sharing and giving access. A share icon allows you to share a copy of your file through Gmail. Remove icon helps to clear the clutter from the drive. The More Actions icon opens file management options like Open With, Add Shortcut, Move To, Add to Start, Rename, Download, View Details, etc. Features of Google Drive. Google Drive has the following features. Work offline. This feature activates offline mode to create and edit files even without an internet connection. Restore previous versions. Helps you to see the changes a user has made to a document in the Drive app and restore previous versions by going to File, Version History, and then see Version History. Scan documents with your Android phone. You can create PDF, portable document format, files by scanning document with your phone's camera. Open Google Drive on the phone, tap the plus button at the bottom right and tap Scan to take the picture of the document. Save it as a PDF file. This is called the Optical Character Recognition Search. Publish your PowerPoint slides as an individual web page. Share your files using custom link and the ability to control who has access to it. Access your document from anywhere in the world. Changes are automatically saved. Whenever you are working in a Google file, your updates will be saved automatically without you having to save the file again and again. You can stream both music and videos from the cloud. Add audio files to the drive, and you can create your playlist and play songs using apps like Music Player. You can open Microsoft Office files in the drive and convert Google files to Microsoft versions. You can choose from dozens of professional ready-made templates. Google Maps. Google Maps is one of those tools that has evolved tremendously over the years. It is a web mapping tool that enables us to display maps by searching an address or place of interest. It is an app that shows us how to get around while driving interstate and within cities. It provides directions when the user enters a starting and a destination point. The current position of the user can be determined with the help of GPS, Global Positioning System, services provided by it. It also helps us find seats in a large stadium or navigate to our favorite store in a mall. It also lets us check the traffic by tapping the traffic option present in the app. To access Google Maps from your computer, follow the given steps. First, click on the Google Apps button. Second, click on the Maps icon. By default, the map appears in the map view. However, you can change the view by clicking on the menu icon and choose the desired view option. Google Maps provide three types of map, which are Road Map. This is the default type which shows the street view of the selected region. Satellite. It shows the satellite image of the selected region. Terrain. It shows the terrain and vegetation. Features of Google Maps. It provides step-by-step directions from your starting point to your destination. When there is no internet connectivity, offline mode uses the saved versions of maps. This feature is useful when traveling through areas with unstable internet. It gives you 2 to 3 route options for your destination according to the traffic situation. It usually chooses the shortest route, but you can also change the route by tapping on the route you want to take. If you have to meet someone and are not able to reach the place, you can ask them to share their live location. You can also search for essential services nearby. Due to one wrong turn, if you lose the track of the route, Google Map automatically redirects you to your destination. Google Map has IVR, interactive voice response. It keeps guiding you on the route. You can save the route map for a journey you will be taking by creating custom travel maps. Google Docs. Google Docs is a free online word processing program. It is similar to Microsoft Word. The only difference is that this is a cloud-based program, so the program does not reside on your computer. It was started by Google in the year 2006 as a part of its complete Office suite. The other programs in the cloud-based suite are Sheets, which is similar to Excel, and Slides, which is similar to PowerPoint. You can access Google Docs from all devices and platforms. All you need is an internet connection and a web browser. In case of a smartphone, the applicable app which your phone needs for Google Docs to work. It works for both individual files and folders. You can also use the free templates available with Google Docs. Follow the below steps to open a new document. First, click on the Google Apps button. Second, click on the Docs icon from the drop-down menu. The Start a New Document page appears. Third, click on the blank template. Opening or importing an existing document for editing. You can easily open or import your Word documents in Google Docs. It might not support more advanced features and formatting of some Word documents. When you import or upload a Word document, you can use either Google Docs, docs.google.com, or Drive, drive.google.com to upload your files. Both methods let you transfer files from your computer directly into the web browser for easy uploads. Perform the following steps to import an existing document. First, on the Docs home, click on Open File Picker folder icon. Second, click on the Upload tab. Third, click on the Select a File from your device button. How to download a file from Google Doc. Fourth, click on File option. Fifth, click on the Download option. Sixth, select the desired format and click on Save button. Google Sheets. Google introduced Google Sheets, a spreadsheet application, on March 9, 2006. It works like any other spreadsheet tool, but since it is an online app, it offers much more than just the spreadsheet tools. Features of Google Sheets. Following are the features of Google Sheets. Google Sheets are free and accessible over the internet from anywhere across the globe. Multiple users can work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously. It works from any device including iOS and Android. It has almost all of the similar spreadsheet functions like Excel. You can easily import data and information from other Google services or directly from the web. Version history helps to find out which users have edited a file along with the edits each has made. Google Sheets has the option to open Excel files and convert them into Google Sheets and vice versa. You can also work offline, but to do so, first you need to install and enable the Google Sheets offline extension. Creating and saving a new Google Sheet. Perform the following steps to create a Google Sheet. First, click on the Google Apps button. Second, click on the Sheets icon from. Third, click on the blank template. Similar to Docs, you can upload an existing Excel workbook and edit the same. Sharing and protecting data in Google Sheets. When working with Google Sheets, you do not need to worry about saving a spreadsheet. It is saved automatically. You can decide who you want to share your file with and give them edit, comment, or view permissions. You can also protect specific data within your sheet so that those who have access to the sheet can only edit certain cells. Sharing a file. Perform the following steps to share a spreadsheet. First, click on the Share button from the top right corner of the spreadsheet. Second, enter the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share the spreadsheet in the box. Third, click on Editor down arrow. Fourth, click on Editor option. Fifth, type a message for the receiver in the message box. Sixth, click on the Send button to share the file. Protecting data. Perform the following steps to protect a spreadsheet. First, select the Data option. Second, select the Protected Sheets and Range option. Third, click on Set Permissions button. Google Slides. Google Slides is an online version of Microsoft PowerPoint developed by Google in 2006. You can now give presentations online with the help of the Google Slides. Google Slides presentations include templates, images, videos, animation, etc. You can also edit the presentation through your smartphones with the help of Google Slides app. Features of Google Slides. Google Slides provides the following features. It is free and accessible from any device. You have a choice of sharing options for your Google Slides presentation. It can be private, you can share it with a few people, or you can share it publicly on the web. You can also change the editing rights for the presentation. If others are also working on a Google Slide presentation, you can chat, leave comments, and work simultaneously on the presentation. Your work is automatically saved as you work on your presentation. You can directly access Google Search from your presentation. Hyperlink tool can be used to create a link to go from your current slide to another slide. You can add real-time automatic captions when you present in Google Slides. You can embed Google Slides presentations in blogs and websites. Creating a new presentation. Perform the following steps to create a new presentation by using the Google Slides. First, click on the Google Apps button. Second, click on the Slides icon. Third, click on the blank template. After making the presentation, you can present it online by clicking on Present button at the top right corner of the window. You can also share your presentation with others by clicking on the Share button. YouTube. YouTube is the most widely used Google app. It is a video sharing application where users can upload their videos, share, comment, watch, and like other videos. The YouTube tagline "Broadcast yourself" means anyone can upload their video and share it with others. After Google search, this is the second largest search engine. YouTube was founded in 2005 and since then billions of videos have been uploaded and shared on this platform. The videos can be about any topic, any subject you can think of. YouTube has two types of users: video creators and video viewers. Features of YouTube. Following are the features of YouTube. Users can search for any particular keyword and watch videos. Create a personal YouTube channel. Upload videos to your channel. Like or comment or share other YouTube videos. Users can subscribe or follow other YouTube channels and users. Create playlists to organize videos and group videos together. How to use YouTube. Perform the following steps to use the YouTube. First, click on the Google Apps button. Second, click on the YouTube icon. Uploading a video on YouTube. To upload a video on YouTube, you first need to create a channel by clicking on Create button. After creating a channel, follow the below steps to upload a video. Step 1. Select Upload Video option. Step 2. Enter the details of your video such as title, description, and select the thumbnail for your video. Scroll down. You can add your playlist to attract more viewers. Choose the audience. Specify whether your video is meant for kids or not. Step 3. Click on the Next button twice. Step 4. In the Visibility dialog box, choose Privacy under the Save or Publish section and click on the Publish button. Your video is successfully uploaded. When watching a video on YouTube, you can click on the thumbs up icon if you like the video. If for any reason do not like this video, click on the thumbs down icon. If you like the video and want to share it with your friends, click on the share icon. You can also save a video by clicking on the save option. Some YouTube channels have a very good content and you want to know when new videos will be released. Click on subscribe button and a bell icon to get notifications of new videos uploaded by the channel. Other Google apps. Let us learn about other Google apps. Google Calendar. Google Calendar keeps track of our personal appointments and also helps us synchronize our appointments with the rest of our team. We can schedule our meetings, conferences, events, etc. with our team and set reminders and schedule future events. Multiple participants can be attached to events to make sure that everyone has the updated material. Our calendar can be shared with others as well as be published on our website to set up reminders for upcoming meetings and events. Google Meet. Google Meet app is a video conferencing app in which we can hold a conversation with 2 or more users. It also allows us to save conversations, share documents and photos. Any device such as a tablet, smartphone can be used to connect and initiate video calls. It allows us to join meetings directly from calendar, an email invite or even from Gmail. Google Contacts. Google Contacts is an important app that is available with Gmail services. With the help of Google Contacts, we can easily back up our contacts to the cloud and access our accounts from any device using our Google account. We can easily store, view, edit, organize, and merge contacts with this app. Google Photos. Google Photos is an app that is used for storing and sharing photos. It is an app that automatically backs up and organizes our photos and videos that we shoot on our smartphones. Photos are automatically analyzed and the user can search for anything in those photos from 3 major categories: people, places, and things. The computer vision features of this app can recognize faces of humans as well as pets and group similar photos together. Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free and secure educational app by Google. It provides easy to use and secure tools that help teachers and students organize their syllabus and enrich their learning experience. Here, online classrooms can be created and teachers can distribute notes and assignments. It also helps in tracking down the performance of students and allows exporting student score to the school's database. Teachers can use the education account to avail more such facilities provided by Google Classroom. Google Forms. Google Forms is the web-based survey administration software offered by Google, which allows users to create forms, surveys, and quizzes. It also allows us to edit and share them collaboratively with others. It has become an important tool for educators to assess the knowledge of students during class. Google Forms are also used to give and receive feedback from students as well as parents. Apps for everyday use. Google Earth. Google Earth is an app devised by Google that works like a virtual globe where we can obtain accurate information quickly on our computer system. It has been created with the help of pictures taken by satellites, aerial photography, and available geographic information. We can see the entire world with the help of Google Earth without going anywhere. It is the world's most detailed globe. Google Translate. Google Translate is a language translation service offered by Google that translates texts, documents, and websites from one language into another. The translator supports around 103 languages and lets you visually translate printed text instantly.